Jake, Sarah.
I gave her this one.
How's it going, Jake?
You look so
Puppy wants to get up in the window.
It's very satisfying.
Oh, no joke. I'm going to borrow that from you later if I may.
Puppy was sniffing yours.
What you
So
got, bud?
I ordered those mouse pads, right? And okay, so they're supposed to come like a week ago. Well, I get the shipment, I get the envelope, I open them up, and there's these 5 mouse pads for these 2 adorable little kids inside.
Oh no.
And it's like, okay, some guy from Kansas. So I'm like, well, maybe he got mine, right?
Yeah.
So I emailed the company. I don't know if I've still heard from them or not. But then, meanwhile, I get a call from someone in New Jersey who has mine. And do I have
Very
his?
nice guy.
There's at
Oh
least
my
3
gosh.
people that are all mixed up, right?
You're welcome.
And so I called him back and I said, no, I don't, but if you'll ship me mine, I'll send you a check for the postage. And he sent them, and I got them when we got back.
He said, don't send me any money
Sarah's art.
unless you want them like FedEx.
Art.
Nice.
Look, Jakers.
Yeah, and a lot
Every
of times.
picture.
That's nice.
Yes, you did.